Here we are on this glorious morning with the owner of these two amazing cars and manager, president, I guess you want to call all the titles out there of Bluebird Performance. So, sir, what is your name?
Luis Dominguez. Luis Angel Dominguez.
Luis Angel Dominguez. And what do we have here today, sir?
We got the Bluebird Performance and the Sleeper. The orange blue. The boogie.
And what year is the blue Volkswagen?
The blue one is 1965.
1965. And what do we have in it? Let's see. What's under the hood?
We have the small engine, 2 liter, 2.2.
2.2.
For drag racing.
For drag racing. Awesome. And on the buggy?
That one is a little bit bigger. It's 2.276.
2.276. Awesome. The exhaust is looking very cool.
Yeah, Volkswagen.
And how long have you been working in Volkswagens?
I started working in Volkswagen in 1983.
In 1983. That was just yesterday, wasn't that?
Yeah. It feels like it.
It feels like it. And where did you start?
I started in different shops. One is a small shop we call the Pampero mechanic shop for I think like 3 or 4 months.
And where was that at?
That's in Juan Domingo, Guaynabo, Puerto Rico.
Guaynabo, Puerto Rico.
And after that, I started in Porky Performance Bayamon. And I believe so. I left Porky Performance in 1993.
Didn't Fisher Buggies go to Volky Performance in Puerto Rico?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a famous shop back then.
Yeah, probably I think one of the best shops. Both Fisher Buggy, he passed away, and he sold at the shop.
Mr. Fisher passed away recently. Yes.
Yeah.
But his legacy lives on.
Yep.
And everything that you have learned, you have also continue to showcase it. Yes, you like doing performances. Yes. And you used to take which Volkswagen to the drag races?
What's that?
Which Volkswagen did you take to the drag races? The blue one. And where did you race at?
That's normally over here in Florida. I race in Tempe, in Georgia too.
Right.
That's why I make Orlando, but something happens all the time.
Every time something happens and you can't go to Orlando.
Yeah.
And where did you start racing that blue Volkswagen at?
And the first time is in 96, I believe so, 1996 in Englishtown.
Englishtown, New Jersey.
I drove it Elizabeth, New Jersey to Englishtown, and the car rode in 1271. Street legal.
1271, wow. And I see you have a Rancho sticker on that Volkswagen.
Yeah, Rancho, the guy for Sam, Mr. Sam, he do the transmission because I break like almost 6 transmissions in that car. So I put a different model, it's a Mendola transmission. And I have that transmission almost for more than 10 years.
More than 10 years, yes.
And
wow.
Nothing happened.
That's because, you know, it's Rancho Performance and you can't beat Rancho Performance.
And Bluebird engines.
Now, let me ask you a question. Do you have any type of fiberglass on this Volkswagen?
No.
No, it's all
metal.
All solid, right? How much does it weigh?
It weighs only the car it weighed 1778 pounds.
1778 in weight, and with you, I'm guessing it's 2,000 pounds.
I weigh right now 210. So yeah.
Yeah, so it's a heavy car
For Volkswagen. Yes,
for
it's a full
Volkswagen.
body,
Yeah, full body.
And the thing is, everybody run almost the same timing, the same ET. For we put everything fiberglass. This
Yeah.
is no turbo. This is no nitro, no nitrous.
No
there,
nitrous,
turbo.
no turbo,
It's a
solid
normal
body.
integration.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's a heavy car and it goes down pretty fast.
Yeah.
Can we hear the engine?
The body is a little bit bad right now. I don't know if it can start.
All right, let's see.
Somos 51. No lo crea, es un slipper. Lo dije.